So we've already cut off the feet and the head. So now it just looks like a normal chicken. And now you slice it down the back. And now you pull all the guts out.
Okay, tell her what the pieces are.
So that one, that's the liver, and that's the heart. And you keep those to make soup and stuff. And there's another liver.
All right, and this hard thing.
That is the gizzard.
And what's the part, what's the gizzard do? Do chickens have teeth?
Oh no, so the gizzard grinds down all the food.
Right. Alright, so now we're checking for the lungs, which lay in the rib cage a little bit. It's part of the lung. We're going to pitch that. Alright. And we're going to throw away the rest of the guts. And Kelsey, what's this little green sack? Do you remember what that's called?
The gallbladder.
You want to make sure that you don't puncture the gallbladder because you don't want all those fluids and bile to get all over your meat. So now when we go up to the front of the bird, what are we looking for here?
You're looking for the crop.
Okay, and what's the crop do?
It's where all of the food is held.
Yep, before they're ready to send it to the digestive tract. And explain what the crop is. What, it's like a little sack, right?
It's like a sack that just holds all the food in it.
So, if we open it up, what are we going to find?
Feed.
So that's the chicken feed that it ate recently.